Hi everybody, in this simple video we would like to show how you can easily install the SIM card into an iPhone. So first of all you need to get the injection tool that usually looks just like so, or if you don't have one you can simply use the paperclip. Now on the right side of our iPhone the SIM card tray is located, so we want to insert the injection tool right into this little hole, just like so, and slightly push it. Once we do the push, as you can see the SIM card tray pops out. Now we can take it out. In order for the SIM card to be installed properly, you gotta match the rounded edge on the SIM card tray and on the SIM card itself. So just install it just like so, so the SIM card chip side will be facing outwards. And now all that it's left to do is to get our SIM card tray back to an iPhone, just like so. And once we push it inside the phone, as you can see, our SIM card gets recognized right away. But if you have the SIM lock just like I do, it is required that you enter the SIM password. So let me do it right now, because the screen that I was supposed to enter the password at went blank for some reason. So in here, I'll just enter my PIN and my SIM card will be successfully unlocked. Alrighty, so that was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching and bye bye.